The Start-X Remote Starter for Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator is an excellent choice for those looking to start their vehicles from the comfort of their home, providing a convenient way to warm up or cool down your car before you even step outside. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design, requiring only 10 minutes and no need for wire cutting or splicing, thanks to the included T-harness. This remote starter is specifically compatible with Jeep models from 2018 to 2025, ensuring a wide range of vehicle support. Designed for automatic transmission vehicles with push-to-start engine buttons, it integrates seamlessly with your existing key fob, making it a user-friendly option. Proudly designed and engineered in North America, the Start-X Remote Starter reflects quality craftsmanship and is backed by USA-based technical support. The Start-X Remote Starter is a smart investment for Jeep owners, offering ease of use, quick installation, and reliable performance for a more comfortable driving experience.